Welcome to the ArcGIS product reviews for utilities. In today's spotlight is ArcGIS Platform. It's Esri's location platform as a service product for developers, otherwise known as PaaS. It provides a premium developer experience where you can use your preferred mapping API and popular mapping libraries so you can leverage our services. When you visit the developer site, you'll find a library of resources and tools. Let's walk through this experience together by starting our journey on the ArcGIS developer website. This page gives you full access to the ArcGIS platform. Our documentation will help you navigate through all of our APIs, SDKs, and other ArcGIS products. To get started, connect to your ArcGIS Online organization and follow the steps to create an API key. Then, use the dashboard to manage what location services are available through your key. Here are the types of services you can configure for your developers to access. For utilities, a lot of these services can help with fleet management, outage analysis, or turn-by-turn directions. Now that we have our API key in hand, let's take on the task of building a web application for an incident response team. We'll go through 3 development stages. On the first, we'll display a simple incident map. On the second, we'll add routes and directions, and on the third, we'll add tools to find the closest engineer and add stops on their route. Let's start by returning to our dashboard and using the tutorials on ArcGIS API for JavaScript to display a web map. This example shows hiking trails in Santa Barbara, California, but we're going to replace it with our electric incident report web map. To view the sample code, I can launch it using CodePen, a live online code editor. As I replace my API key into the code and refresh the page, the sample map will display and render the hiking locations. To replace it with my organization's map, I can refer to the tutorial guidelines to identify the item ID parameter and replace that ID with that of my electric incident map. Now all the layers and map properties are imported and successfully rendered, and I can continue to add to my web application. Note that I simply just configured parameters to make it point to my organization's content. Similarly, I can grab the sample code from the route and directions tutorial, insert it into my CodePen view, and test it. This new location service enables a user to click on a starting location, say the current location of a field engineer, and a destination, such as this incident location. This generates turn-by-turn directions on the top right. So far, we've imported our incident web map and provided routing directions. Let's take a look at the final version of this web app. It has a simple user interface design and uses this list of location services. The newly added service area and closest facility location services will help dispatchers and field crew locate resources. Let's walk through how a team would use this. A report just came in from Charrington Street after a major storm. Strong winds caused a pole to tilt down to a dangerous level, so crews need to be sent right away. Using the service area location service, dispatch can quickly get the answers they need. The analysis displays a 5-minute drive time perimeter in purple. On the map and right-hand list, it highlights field engineers that fall inside this area. Engineers Patrick and Kyle are closest to the scene. However, Patrick's orange icon means he's unavailable. Kyle's icon is green, so he is the next closest available engineer to send. Using the routing service, Kyle can preview the fastest and safest route to follow. Additionally, Kyle needs to pick up more safety supplies for the task. Using the closest facility location service, Kyle can add a warehouse stop to his route. This now provides a route to the warehouse first and the incident report second. Kyle is now equipped with the best route for his task. In less than 5 clicks, the app's location services gave dispatch and the field engineer the spatial answers they need to respond to the incident. This is just one way to harness the power of the ArcGIS platform. So get started today on the ArcGIS developer website. We hope you enjoyed this preview. If you've got additional questions, reach out to our Esri utility team for more information. Thank you.